This is the village of Llanrhaeadr and Mochnant in the Llanrhaeadr Valley in northern Powys. In front of you, you see the church, which is very famous in Welsh history, as it was where William Morgan was the vicar prior to translating the Bible into Welsh. And this is the memorial in the village, which I found, not previously listed in other data sites. Coffam me 50 diwriau o'r plwyhwyfyn a syddod yn ei rifel mawr yw henw ar y beri bach. We'll just do a circuit of the memorial here. There are quite a lot of names. Unusually for a Welsh memorial, it's not quite in alphabetical order. We can see Lieutenant Jones and Sergeant Lieutenant Jones at the top, but the framework is followed, whereby the homes of the servicemen are listed adjacent to their names. There's the church again in its late afternoon glory, and looking down you can see one of the gravestones in the churchyard entirely in the Welsh language. So, English inscription at the rear of the memorial with a familiar Celtic cross insignia at the top. And on the back side again, more names are listed. Jones, 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 Jones. A number of Morrises, etc. Right, we'll just pan around, we'll just take a short trip a little further up, because this village, I say, has a significant part to play in Welsh history, with the connection of William Morgan. Through the Lich Gate, the church once more.